friends, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a review of hotel.
In this review, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and trending view and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location appears and Wi-Fi attractions and landmarks. Find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 6.0, which is the pleasant. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. See on the screen ratings. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen. At check-in. The location of the hotel is first class and guests can enjoy the surroundings. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, go to link in description. If you are facing any